The Ag Innovation Showcase brings together innovators and investors from across the agricultural industries. So what are the unique challenges for startups in this space?
I think as a startup, scaling is really the crucial issue. So I'm from Silicon Valley, where there's lots of IT and app startups. And so this is quite different in terms of what's required to take new food products, food ingredients, or even ingredients for everyday consumer products to market. And so it's nice to be in a group of investors that are familiar with the challenges and that have companies in their portfolios that also they're bringing to market.
Everybody wants to invest at the time when you have a product, you've taken all the bugs out, and you're ready to go to market. There is a real challenge in getting a company started. But more of a challenge is after you get the company started, to get the resources necessary to support the development of a growing concern. That means you have the production scale so you can deliver the market. You have a sales force to deliver the product. You have technical people who can handle warranty issues. And at the same time, continue development to make your next gen project. And this has to happen before you start getting enough sales to support the whole enterprise, which I think is one of the biggest challenges between new startup companies and their transition to multi-billion-dollar enterprises.
There tends to be a disparity in size between the companies we talk to and ourselves, and that power balance can be quite difficult to manage. So it's interesting to see a different take on things here in America. I think America is a different culture to UK in terms of investment certainly into agriculture. They understand the fundamental nature of the business we're in.
Well, I think the challenge is a challenge that they both face. From the perspective of investors, there are classes that they invest in. Those things are changing under their feet. So they've got to now become both highly educated about the prospects and very attentive to trends, and understand that the combination of the two is what will give them the opportunity to invest well. The return may certainly not be what they've been used to in the past in the duration that they've been used to.
The investment community is still kind of waking up. I mean, AgFunder has shown there's been $4.5 billion invested in ag tech last year, but a lot of that is focused on field production and biologicals, great things to invest in. But what we would like to see is more investment coming into the technology, the software, the data, analytics, things that are really going to help move things along and disrupt the way that things work.
And from the innovator's perspective, it's the same issue, which is things are changing. Their own assumptions about the science that they're trying to propel forward need to change constantly. And they need to become highly efficient at being able to organize themselves to respond to those things. So in effect, it's the same challenge for both sides.
Thanks for watching. Click through to meet some of the innovators being spotlighted at the Ag Innovation Showcase. And please subscribe to discover other innovations disrupting our new economy.